Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Vishwakarma and our today's topic is maps and its components. Today I am going to discuss about map and atlas and the efficiencies of map. Uh, map Map, it is a true representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Map is a representation of a drawing or a sketch. Map is a representation of a drawing or a sketch of earth's surface which is drawn in a flat surface according to a scale. It is called a map. And what is the atlas? Atlas is the collection of maps in a book form is called an atlas. Atlas is the collection of maps which forms a book, that we can say that book is an atlas. Atlas is, it is all collection of maps. We can see in all the schools there or in the at the stationery shop you can got this book. If you go to buy this atlas book, then you can take from any stationery book, and in that book you see there is only a collection of maps are present in their book. Different types of maps you can find in that book. Atlas is very useful for the students, which when you want to studies our maps, our sketch of India and the world's sketch, then you can take this book, and with the help of this book you can easily understand all the sketch and all the map which you are want to find. And the efficiencies of map, it means how useful maps are for us. With the map are very useful for us because through maps we can see this. If we want to find any place, any destination point near me and near about anywhere, then we can find with the help of map. Here we can see in our mobiles there is a navigation, many type of navigation we are using. Suppose that if you want to visit a new place, then we don't know any place anywhere. If we want to visit any place, then we don't know exact location of that place. If we want to search a hotel, restaurants, then how we will search. If there is only two ways. Suppose that if you want to search any restaurant, there is the only two ways. First one is I have to ask someone, and the second one is through a map we can find where is the restaurants and the path of that restaurants or destination points. First one is this thing which is the very important for important things, and the second one is that it is shows a large areas in a single piece of paper through a map. Map is the sketch and the representation or drawing of a surface. A large area can be drawn on a single piece of paper. And what is the second one? We get the various information from the different type of map. We can got different types of information from the different types of maps. You can see in the atlas book. In that atlas book there are the different things are given. One is about the forest and about the railways and the airlines. All the destination points are given one by one, and these all information are the very important for us. It is not possible to show one piece of paper all the things. That's why in that book there is the another topics we have, and in that topics we can easily find one by one destination things or the useful information from that book. Dear children, I hope it is clear. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye. Take care.